Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add a data refresh timestamp to your dashboard. So for example, you have completed development of the dashboard, but a user wanted to know when this data in this dashboard has been refreshed. So you need to add data update time to your dashboard for that. So we can do this one in two ways, one using the title and using captions. So first I will show you how to use titles to add data update time. So just create new sheet and name the sheet as data refresh time. So drag any field in your data source to the detail and then change it to polygon. So instead of map, you can take any dimension field. So let me clear this sheet. So just take any normal field, drag it and add it to the detail, and now change the mark type to polygon. So you have nothing in this view now. So double click on the title to edit. So go to insert and then select data update time, click OK. If you see, we have the date and time when this data is added. So double click to edit and just name the this title as data update time. Let me reduce the size, then click OK. Now go to your dashboard, drag the sheet and place it somewhere in your dashboard, choose entire view, then you can adjust the size as desired. So now user can know when this data in this dashboard has been updated. So another way is using captions. So create new sheet, go to go to worksheet and choose show caption. Double click to edit the caption. Now go to insert and choose data update time. So give the label as data update time. You can change the color as you wish and then click OK. Rename the sheet data refresh time to. Go to your dashboard, drag the new sheet, right click and hide the title, click on the down arrow and select caption. So now you have the caption, but it's saying unknown update date time because there is no field that we are using from this data source. So let me drag any field to the detail and now change the mark type to polygon so that you will get the blank sheet. Go to the dashboard. Now if you see, we have the data update time. You can choose entire view. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.